Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about alkaloids. Alkaloids in the skin glands of poison frog, a chemical defense against predation. So, what are alkaloids? Low molecular weight nitrogenous compounds. 20% of plant species have been found to contain them, mainly involved in plant defense against herbivores and pathogens. Utilization by human. 3000-year history of alkaloids used by humans. In most humans' history, alkaloids from plant extracts have been used as ingredients in potions, liquid medicine, and poisons. Ancient people used plant extracts containing alkaloids for treating a large number of ailments, including snake bite, fever, insanity. In the Middle East, the latex of opium poppy papaver was already used at 200 BC. Alkaloids of opium poppy papaver capsule releasing latex when wounded. Latex contains the alkaloid morphine and related alkaloids such as codeine. Opium poppy capsule. Alkaloids of opium poppy papaver. This is the plants, and this is the codeine structure, and this is the morphine structure. Look at the structure, this one, how it is making the cycle, and three cycle is combined and fused together. So later the use of alkaloid is spread to the waste. The piperidine alkaloid quinine, the first alkaloid to be synthesized. Quinine is extremely toxic, causing paralysis of motor nerve ending. The death of Socrates, the philosopher Socrates drank an extract of quinine containing hemlock. That is the story. In Egypt, Queen Cleopatra used extract of henbane, Hyoscyamus, to expand her pupils and appear more attractive to her male political competitors. You see, this is eye atropine, and this is the plant. Alkaloids of opium poppy, theriac, a mixture of opium, dried snake meat, and wine. One of the oldest and long-lived medications in the history of mankind. Against spiders, scorpions, and snakes. Morphine, named for Morpheus, the god of dream in the Greek mythology. Seren Turner isolated morphine at 1800, and this gave rise to a study of alkaloids. In 1890, Misner gave the name alkaloids after plants alkali, from which soda was isolated, sodium carbonate called alkali in Arabic. Alkaloid, first defined as pharmacologically active nitrogens containing basic compound of plant origin. Now it is expanded. Alkaloid bearing species have been found in nearly all classes of organisms: frog, ants, butterflies, bacteria, sponges, fungi, spiders, beetles, and mammals. Not always synthesized de novo in the organism, but rather taken up. Some animals, such as frog, produce toxic alkaloids in the skin or secretory glands. Insects use plant alkaloid as a source of attractant, pheromones, and defense substances. So, atropine antidote to nerve gas poisoning, codeine, morphine, analgesic, painkiller. You see, all are alkaloids. Alkaloids in modern medicine. Caffeine, central nerve system stimulant. You see the leaf. Quinine, antimalarial, facilitated exploration of the tropics. The monoterpenoids, indole alkaloids, prepared from the bark of, you see, quinine. Alkaloid in modern medicine. Sanguinarine, antibacterial, showing anti-plaque activity, used in toothpaste and oral rinses. The Opium Wars, Anglo-Chinese Wars between China and Britain. Due to trade of deficit, Britain had a start using silver for the trade with India in exchange for silk, porcelain, and tea. The Brits started smuggling opium from British India into China to reduce the amount of silver they exchanged. China lost in both wars. Alkaloid and geopolitics, efforts underway to eradicate productions of semi-synthetic compounds, heroin, derived by acetylation of morphine. Also, eradication of cocaine, a natural alkaloid from coca plant. Look at the structure of heroin and cocaine. So, what is the role of alkaloids in plants? Since the discovery of morphine, 12,000 alkaloids isolated. Alkaloids, as other secondary metabolites, are produced in a unique pattern. Large investment in nitrogen, it is clear that they have an ecochemical role. Wide range of physiological effect on animals, antibiotic activity, toxic to insect, feeding deterrents, nicotine from tobacco, one of the first insecticides and is most effective. Herbivory induces nicotine formations in tobacco. Caffeine also an effective insect toxin found in leaves and beans of cocoa, coffee, cola, mint, and tea. Caffeine will kill larvae of the tobacco hornworm Mandusca sexta within 24 hours in dietary concentrations present below those found in fresh coffee beans or tea leaves. Inhibits the phosphodiesterase that hydrolyzed AMP. You know the AMP. So alpha solanine, a steroid alkaloid, is a cholinesterase inhibitor found in potato tuber. Tetratogenicity, embryotoxicity of sprouting potatoes. Look at this structure. And you see the pyrrolizidine alkaloid toxic to mammals and quinolizidine alkaloid occur in Lupinus genus. Lipanin is a bitter compound feeding deterrent. So alkaloid biosynthesis, this is long process. Alkaloids in most cases are formed from L amino acid. Tryptophan, tyrosine, phenylalanine, lysine and arginine as precursors. Produced alone from the above precursors or in combination with other L chemicals such as terpenoids moiety. One or two transformation can convert the above amino acid precursors to very specific secondary metabolites. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this